Hello, students. Welcome to the class 11th Microeconomics, Chapter 3 Theory of Demand. Myself, G.S. Pandey from Gola Bazaar, LPM Public School, Gorakhpur. Today, I will discuss the last topic of this chapter, the theory of demand chapter, the causes of the rightward shift in demand curve and the causes of leftward shift in demand curve. What are the causes due to which the demand curve is going to shift towards rightward? The first is increase in income of consumer in case of normal goods. Increase in income of consumer. It is in the case of normal goods only. And the second part of is decrease in income of consumer. It is in the case of inferior goods only. The demand curve will shift rightward due to the increase in income of the consumer in case of normal goods, and in case of inferior goods, if the decrease in income of consumer is take place, the demand curve will shift rightward. And the second reason is the increase in price of substitute goods and decrease in price of complementary goods. Second reason, increase in price of substitute goods and next, decrease in price of complementary goods. That is, if the price of the substitute goods will increase, the demand curve will shift rightward of the substitute goods. And if the price of complementary good is going to decrease, the demand of complementary good of that commodity will increase and demand curve will shift rightward. And third one is favorable shift in taste and preference of the consumer. The third reason, favorable shift in tastes and preferences of the consumer. If the consumers are going to change their tastes and preferences in case of a particular commodity, then the demand of that commodity will increase and the demand curve will shift rightward, upward. Then next one is the increase in size of population. Increase in size of population. If the size of the population, the market is going to increase, the demand of commodity will increase, and in that situation, the demand curve will shift rightward. And next region is equal distribution of income. Equal distribution of income. If there is equal distribution in income, then the demand of the commodity will increase, and ultimately at the same price the demand will, if demand will increase, the demand curve will shift rightward. And last region is the favorable seasonal conditions. Favorable seasonal conditions. If the season is in the favor of the commodity, say woolen clothes are demanded in the winter season, the season is in favor. That is why the demand of woolen clothes will increase, and the demand for woolen cloths will shift rightward. These are the various regions due to which the demand curve shifts rightward, upward. Now come to the causes of leftward shift in demand curve. Leftward shift in demand curve. What are the regions due to which the demand curve is going to shift leftward, downward? That is, there are the same region, these regions, all these regions, due to all these regions, the demand curve will shift demand curve, which we have seen in the rightward shift, but it will be affect just opposite in case of leftward shift. Let us consider the first region, that is, it is if there is decrease in income of consumer, decrease in income of consumer in case of normal goods only, and in case of inferior goods, the increase in income of consumer, increase in income of consumer. It is only in the case of inferior goods. So, due to decrease in income of consumer in case of normal goods, the demand curve will shift leftward, downward, and in case of increase in income of consumer in case of inferior goods, the demand curve will shift leftward, downward. The second reason of the leftward shift in demand curve is the decrease in price of substitute goods. Decrease in price of substitute goods. And number 2, B, increase in price of complementary goods. That is, due to decrease in price of substitute goods, the demand of the substitute goods will decrease and demand curve will shift leftward, downward, and while the increase in price of complementary goods, the demand of complementary goods will decrease and demand curve will shift leftward, downward. Now come to the third reason of the leftward shift in demand curve is the unfavorable shift in taste and preference. Unfavorable shift in taste and preferences of the consumer. If the unfavorable taste and preference take place towards a particular commodity, then the demand of that commodity will decrease and ultimately the demand curve for that commodity will shift leftward, downward. And the fourth reason due to which the demand curve will shift leftward is the decrease in size of population. Decrease in size of population. Decrease in size of population. Now, if there is decrease in size of population, then the demand of the commodity will decrease and demand curve will shift leftward, downward. And next region, number 5, is the unequal distribution of income. Unequal distribution of income. if there is unequal distribution of income take place in the market, the economy, then the demand of the commodity will decrease and demand curve will shift leftward, downward. And last reason for leftward shift of the demand curve is the unfavorable seasonal condition. Unfavorable seasonal condition. Due to this reason, the demand of the commodity will decrease and ultimately the demand curve will shift leftward, downward. These are the various reasons due to which the demand curve will shift rightward, upward, and second reason, the demand curve will shift leftward, downward. In this way, we have completed the discussion of the chapter 3rd, that is theory of demand. In the next class, we will discuss the 4th chapter, that is elasticity of demand. Now, thank you. Rest is well.